concerns? Are we safe? Are we protected? Please requesting everyone to open up their eyes and see what is happening. Today it is she, tomorrow it might be me, tomorrow it might be your child, or tomorrow it might be your wife, your sister. It's high time we start taking responsibility in our hand and start thinking of a good governance in the coming future.
Yeah, I truly believe with what Cecily is saying. We just visited the mother of the victim and even the family. They are all shocked, and it's very surprising and very unfortunate to see what is happening in Goa, especially in the urban area like Roraine. This is the clear cut. This gives a clear cut that the government has failed, the law and order has failed. This gives the upper hand for the culprit to do all those things. If the law and order was good, this would have never happened. And I request all to come forward and get united and fight towards all these injustices. And in this case, at least the police has done a spontaneous reaction and they have arrested the boy. It's a good thing, but this thing should continue. And all these things should stop. All the injustice should stop.